Namaskar, my name is Pulin from 3rd Blueberries Sri Venkateshwar International School. Have you ever wondered how rockets blast off into space is breaking the Earth's gravitational pull? Or have you ever wondered how octopi swim through the ocean and without any fins? Well, today I will be telling you all about Newton's third law, action equals to reaction. Newton's third law of motion states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Today we will be representing this in a fun and small experiment. We will be building a straw spinner. You need one thin straw, one fat straw, one pair of scissors and one punching machine. First, I will take the fat straw and cut this part. Then I will take the fat straw and I will punch a hole in the middle. Then I will seal the two ends of the straw and I will make two holes. One will be here and the other here. After that, I will take the thin straw and I will make a hole here. After that, from the side where the hole is, I will insert the fat straw and then simply I will blow. So, how did this happen? When you blow, the air gushes out of these two small holes. The air rushes out with force. This force applies an equal and opposite force on the straw, making it spin. Hence, we learn Newton's third law that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Thank you.